Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to set up your Razer Lancehead wireless gaming mouse. So there are two versions of this mouse. There's the wired and wireless. I'll be showing you how to set up the wireless. So when you first open it up, you're going to get this USB to micro USB cable. So this allows you to charge the mouse, and once it's charged you can use it wirelessly. So the first thing you're going to do when you get it is you're going to take the USB part of it and you go ahead and plug it into your computer, and then you're going to take the micro USB part, and you can see right underneath the scroll wheel is a little area for the micro USB to plug in. So you're just going to plug that in there, and after this, since I've already set my mouse up, it's not going to prompt me, but if you're setting it up for the first time, it's going to prompt you to install some software, install the Razer Synapse and the Razer Chroma applications so that you can customize the lighting and things like that. So once you do that, you've pretty much set up your Razer Lancehead wireless gaming mouse. So this is using it as a wired version, so it still works, but right now it's being charged because it's plugged in. If you want to use it in wireless mode, there's two ways to do so. So one, you can just unplug this USB to micro USB and just put it aside. You can take your little USB receiver and just plug it into your computer. Then underneath the mouse there'll be a little switch, so you can just click that so it becomes green. And now you can see the lights are turning on, and I can also use my mouse like this. But the problem with this is some effects that you want to do, like remap keys and stuff like that, which I'll show you how to do in another video. Some things can't be done on wireless mode because they're not stored in the in the memory of the mouse. Your mouse needs to be plugged in to do so. But there's an option to have those features and still use the mouse wirelessly. So what you do is you unplug your receiver and just put it aside. And you can again plug your USB into your computer. And you're going to take this little dongle thing that you got in your box. So you can see on this side there's a USB, and under here there's a little micro USB. It's kind of hard to see. So you're going to take your micro USB and you're just going to plug it in. And then you're going to take your wireless receiver and also plug it in. So once you do that, your mouse will be connected to the computer and you can use it. And you will also be able to access features as if you were using it in wired mode, but you're using it in wireless mode. So yeah, those are the three ways to set up your new Razer Lancehead wireless gaming mouse. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.